Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. At my favorite, looking at some outdoor mats. Got my eye on this one, really like it. What do you think? What about this one? Black, gray, a little white, just like the other one. Might get them both. Not today. I'll just get these paint brushes and a few more items. Here's the start of the show. This is why we came. 50-foot no-dig landscape edger. Guess I got everything I need. Let's head on out. You know these store people are so evil. You can't just grab one or two items. You always have to pick up something else. Meanwhile, back on the ranch, the saga continues. You guys know I didn't leave this like this. My neighbor's friend cut the grass, left this mess, as usual, all the way down the mulch bed. Oh yeah. You know what to add to that? Looks like it's gonna rain. I got something else to do. Bought these plugs last year for my flower pots, but I didn't use them. Link will be in the description. I drilled 2 holes in these pots. Should have just drilled 1 each, and they were too big. So I used tape to cover 1 hole up. Too much water would come out. So now I got the plugs. I used the black ones. Got a bunch of them, all type of sizes. Put one there, and I hope it works. Nothing to it. This is how it looks on the other side. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I know. I thought it was funny. Thought it was hilarious, actually. Moving right along. Before I put the landscape edger down, I come over to this rose bush, open it up, remove any debris, and then I'll go all the way down. Look at the little guy. Got a new shoot coming in. I expect big things, big things. Since I'm out here, and considering I'm a great neighbor, you guys would love to have me next door to you. I removed weeds from my neighbor's house. Didn't use my shears either. Oh no, you know what I use? My Husky multi-purpose tool. This thing is awesome for removing weeds from cracks. Look how good this looks now. Oh yeah. Time for the main event. Let's put this landscape edger down. If this mulch bed fills up with too much water, the mulch will just go everywhere, so I'm trying to prevent that from happening. Just like that, we're finished. Would have been done sooner, but you know I had to clean up that mess left behind by my next door folks here. You know what, guys? I planned on removing this landscape edger and putting a new piece down. I might not have to do that. So what I'll do next is secure the anchors that are keeping the edges in place. Work smart, not hard. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. One last look before I move on to the other side. Don't forget your Husky kneeling pad. Measure twice, cut once. Light work today, light work, but it's all for a purpose. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye. While I'm out here, might as well feed my babies. Now you guys can go. Get out of here.